During layoffs, I got promoted as an SDET. And the reason was not that I used AI to generate more tests. The reason was that I helped the team use AI better. We were generating automation faster, but the results were inconsistent. Wrong selectors, duplicated logic, missing framework conventions. And every time we had to re-explain the project to AI, we were also spending more tokens, more time, and more review effort. In this video, I'll show you the system that fixed it. Reusable context files that made AI stop guessing and start generating tests that actually fit the framework. To understand why that system works, we need to start with the problem, because it's more structural than most teams realize. This is the problem most teams run into with AI automation. They think the goal is to write a better one-time prompt, but if every engineer explains the project differently, AI will generate tests differently. One prompt says, use existing helpers. Another prompt forgets that. One prompt explains the folder structure. Another one skips it. One prompt asks for stable selectors. Another one lets the model guess. The result is not a scalable workflow. It is a random AI output that happens to work sometimes. So instead of making AI relearn the project every time, I created reusable context files. These files describe the automation framework once: the folder structure, naming conventions, reusable helpers, selector strategy, examples of good tests, and the review checklist we expected generated tests to follow. The idea was simple. Stop repeating the same context in every prompt. Make the context part of the project. Then, instead of writing a massive prompt from scratch, we could ask Cursor to use those reusable context files before generating automation. Now, AI was no longer guessing how our framework worked. It had stable project context. It had rules. It had examples. It had quality expectations. That improved two things at the same time. First, it reduced repeated context, which helped reduce AI usage cost. Second, it improved test generation quality, because generated tests became more consistent with the framework. They reused existing helpers more often. They followed the project structure more closely. They were easier to review, and they required fewer corrections before becoming useful automation. This is what made the work valuable. I was not just using AI to generate tests faster. I was helping the team build a repeatable AI-assisted automation workflow. That is the difference between casual AI usage and engineering-level AI usage. Casual usages generate tests. Professional usages, here's our architecture, our conventions, our examples, our constraints, and our quality bar. Now, help us build automation that fits. And this is also a powerful portfolio idea. If you are learning QA automation today, do not just show that you can write tests. Show that you can build workflows. Show your reusable context files. Show your automation architecture or your AI prompt strategy. Show your generated tests and review checklist. That tells hiring managers something much stronger. You understand automation, maintainability, and modern AI-assisted engineering. And this exact approach, reusable context files, structured prompting, AI-assisted automation that fits a real framework, is what we walk through inside Module 7 of the Advanced Mobile Automation with Maestro course. Not just how to generate tests, how to build the kind of AI-assisted workflow that helps your team move faster, reduces review overhead, gives you something worth showing in your portfolio, and positions you as the engineer who gets promoted, not replaced. Link to Module 7 is in the description. Check it out when you're ready. If you want to go wider, AI evaluation tools, new QA career paths, what's actually happening in the industry right now, our Discord community is the place for that. Link is in the description.